Yo, so many questions, who do I ask? Where do I go from here? What are you smoking? Ain't no average girl, my one top tier. What is it now? I stood on business and I made it clear. I'm over it now, you done all this to make me look.
In today's video, we're gonna do grillz with foil for free, guys. Yeah, you don't need money to do grillz with foil. I wanna show you the tutorial of how to do grillz with foil. Let's get it.
If shit goes wrong today, who else are they gonna blame? If I don't help you out, you'll probably say I changed.
Look at this guy's name.
My closest friend tried to draw me out. Talk on me, that's where the speak with chest, no need to shout. That shit gon' catch up. Someone's gonna get bored up. Why? This shit don't run up. So many questions, who do I ask? Where do I go from here? What are you smoking? Ain't no average girl, my one top tier. What is it now? I stood on business and I made it clear. I'm over it now, you done all this to make me look weird. You got a boat to pick with me, I feel like Piers Morgan. ETA on my trip, I said it already, you know I'm starting. Yo, I feel like MJ now, I'm balling latest nights and early morning.
Before you watch this video, please like and share and subscribe this video. I've been showing you more tutorials how to do grillz.
You ain't that guy, you're just mad
with the foil card. Magnet to pull it there.
So many questions, who do I ask? Where do I go from here? What are you smoking? Ain't no average girl, my one top tier. What is it now? I stood on business and I made it clear. I'm over it now, you done all this to make me look weird.
See, I got a knife. I got a knife. Let me see, but I wanna try it, yeah. Magnet to pull it there, fall down, Put it down, bring something to make it like. See, I got a knife.
A few moments later.
Oh, guys. Magnet to pull the foil down.
Fuck that girl you're chasing, that's a waste of time. Yo, fuck that tide of waiting, just do my side. Too much tires, so much tires, I can get you slimed. But let's see, I got head to toe, but I'm not a fashion guy. So much chrome on me, the top came oversized. So much chrome on me, the top came oversized. Aye, for me, I don't know, I had to let them go. Try hide that hate from me, but that envy still gonna show. I can vouch robin in the tea, you have beans lined up on the road. Found me a sweet one, before that, it was bros over hoes. Didn't sleep till I got man down and turned man's day right upside down. I thought he'd sing like James from Fed for that I was serving brown. I don't want no love, I'm out of time until they give me the crown. And by then, I'm out of town. Fuck that girl you're chasing, that's a waste of time. Yo, fuck that tide of waiting, just do my side. Too much tires, so much tires, I can get you slimed. But let's see, I got head to toe, but I'm not a fashion guy. So much chrome on me, the top came oversized. So much chrome on me, the top came oversized. This shit gonna hurt feelings, A&E way more than a beating. Heart gone cold like Wednesday heating. Bando settings a business meeting. Hungry still best know I've been eating. They gotta pay me just for the greeting. Got dark from early, like winter. These days keep picking circles. Car man just way too inner. She asked me about the sign I throw up, I told her mate with winners. Fuck that girl you're chasing, that's a waste of time. Yo, fuck that tide of waiting, just do my side. Too much tires, so much tires, I can get you slimed. But let's see, I got head to toe, but I'm not a fashion guy. So much chrome on me, the top came oversized. So much chrome on me, the top came oversized.
And then you see it's a little bit longer, and then I'm gonna cut it there. Here. See, I'm cutting wood side. Okay, there. My teeth are not equal. You see, they are racing. So, okay.
No one checked on me when I needed. So I just
I don't smoke weed. I don't smoke
not in my feelings. Overthink too much. I get distracted, start to deep it. I just deal with people exactly how they treat me. On the block ain't nothing but youths trying to be bad and hoes that act up. I've been obsessed with money. I knew would get my stack up. I ain't lacking on my own. I got me, no backup. They talking on me and none of it factual. Meanwhile, bro in a band or hoping Fed don't raid his yard. She like, boy, you toxic, you ain't got no heart. Get let down when you love too hard. 100
and then you're gonna
fix it. Maybe a Chanel bag.
I'm around 30 minutes.
No one checked on me.
Gonna wait until
I just stack my bread, stay in my bag and not in my feelings.
It stays good.
Too much, I get distracted, start to deep it. Me, I just deal with people exactly how they treat me. Don't be on my phone, I'm busy. Not right now, I'm busy. I'm not outside, but after I make this play, I'll go get litty. Bad beats still wanna link me, but guess what? Not today. Try block my shine. Bro, get out the way. You man beef ain't got no income, that shit dead to me. I know that hoes still want a reaction, you lot be tempting me. I know that hurt, I cut you off, now you wanna get to me. Stop that separately, ask me how I am though mentally. No one checked on me.
Put it in your mouth until
so I just stack my bread, stay in my bag and not in my feelings.
80 minutes or 5
I get
minutes.
distracted, start to deep it. Me, I just deal with people exactly how they
look like a real girl. See, look.
No one checked on me when I needed. So I just stack my bread, stay in my bag and not in my feelings. Overthink too much, I get distracted, start to deep it. Me, I just deal with people exactly how they treat me.
Hard shit. Hey guys, you must wait for more than 5 minutes.
Crazy.
Oh, so many questions. Where do I go from here? What are you smoking? Ain't no average girl, my one top tier. What is it now? I stood on business and I made it clear. Over it now, I've been doing to make me look clear. If it's you or me, that's me. I'll be deep in life, I try not to reflect on life. I'll be creating I've been lied to way too much.
a Discord account.
My vision was blurry.
You must join my Discord account.
Happier when I was broke.
Still waiting for Discord, guys.
My family know I ain't be myself. Some things that I gotta deal with.
2 hours later.
Fuck the money, fuck the fame. And if shit goes wrong today, who else are they gonna blame? If I don't help you out, you'll probably say I changed. My closest friend try to draw me out. Talk on me, that's word of mouth. Speak with chest, no need to shout. That shit gon' catch up. Someone's gonna get bored up, why? Cause this shit don't add up. So many questions, who do I ask? Where do I go from here? What are you smoking? Ain't no average girl, my one top tier. What is it now? I stood on business and I made it clear. I'm over it now. You done all this to make me look weird. You got a bone to pick with me. I feel like Piers Morgan. ETA on my trip. I said it already.
Subscribe to this channel. Make sure I'll show you
MJ now, I'm
everything.
nights and early mornings.
See,
when I bought the bag,
this look like a real grill.
From me,
like
not
a real
you
grill.
ain't that guy. You're just mad, you're broke. Yo, self-centered type.
I'm looking so handsome, bro. I'm looking so handsome.
Where do I go from here? What are you smoking? Ain't no average girl, my one top tier. What is it now? I stood on business and I made it clear. I'm over it now. He's done all this to make me look